Hey guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinal TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. This is HP Envy 6010. This printer is everything family need, is for all occasion family printing. You can copy, scan and print from this printer. So to say, it's multifunctional, multitasking. This printer is nice gear, nice and dope technology, very economical and affordable. It's not heavy, very light, okay? For your everyday printing, for your home printing. You can save up to 70% on ink with this gear. You get 2 months instant ink delivered to your home door. You will never run out of ink once you connected to HP service. Okay, so you got instant, okay, instant ink, save up to 70% and never run out of ink. HP ink deliver service. Okay, so they got delivery service, which is handy. Okay, but you need to register with HP to receive this service. You can also cancel it anytime you want. What we are going to do right now, this printer is using 305 ink cartridges. Okay, this is the ink tank, and one is triple color, which consists of red, blue and yellow, and this one is black. Okay, we are going to load these cartridges. To load this cartridge, what we need to do, I want to turn this print across this printer to show you. First of all, the power cable for this printer is at the back. This is the power cable. You turn this printer on and off from this button here. This button here, this spot here is for USB cable. The USB cable goes in here for you to be able to charge, plug this printer to your computer, for you to be able to scan or copy and print from your PC. Okay, you can do all these things which I'm gonna show you right now with your mobile device. So if you are doing this print, if you are using this printer with your mobile device, then you don't need the USB cable. But if you need to connect this printer to your PC, you need to connect this via USB cable. Okay, so, and the power cable is right here. Now, I like the purple color for this printer. So the paper tray for this printer is at the bottom here. This is the paper tray. Okay, you open it, it's the paper tray, and move this across to load the paper tray. Okay, and what we are going to do, like I said, is to load the ink cartridges. To load the ink cartridges, we need to open this up. Okay, open up the cover. I want to bring the camera close for you to see. Right, you can see the inside for this printer. Very beautiful stuff. The cartridge is 305, is self-explanatory. The purple color is for color, okay, and this black is for black. Ink goes in here, the other color goes in here. Okay, and 305. I also want to show you this section here. If you have any paper jam, this is where to go. You check this section by opening it across and check if there's any paper jam. From here, then you can take the paper off. Okay, so but if there's no paper jam, you make sure you put it back on. Okay, so the paper tray, I'm going to set that up properly. Okay, it's in. Okay, see, so you just to push this together and open and take it out, take it off. Once you finish, make sure you put it back in. Okay, and it's in. Okay, this is the full tour. Right now we need to connect the ink cartridges. Okay, so we'll go from the color. Okay, so So this is the color 305 color. So you take off this plastic. Okay, so it goes in. Okay, it's in. You see, so you just need to go in straight in. Okay, and make sure this hook, okay, is in. Use your right hand to push it in and use your left hand to close. Okay, so once you take this off, the cartridges will come out straight away. Okay, so you can push, make sure you push in with your right hand and close it with your left hand. So this is in. Okay, right now we'll do the same thing to the black color. So this is 305 black. Okay, so we'll go in like I said earlier. Okay, once you use your right hand, make sure it's in. Use your left hand to close down the hook. Okay, it's in. So this ink cartridge is in. How do you know? You just need to make sure, use it, shake it, go through it, make sure it's not falling off. Okay, and you can see that it's in. Okay, and the next thing to do is you close down the cover. Okay, for this to be recognized. So this ink cartridge is right now is ready to go. And once you close this, it will move from this corner to this end. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is close down this unit. Okay, close it down. Okay, so right now the move is recognizing the ink cartridges. The ink is right now is set. Okay, so this is how to load the ink cartridges. Okay, so this ink cartridges is right now is connected. Okay, and you can also turn this off from the back here. Okay, once you turn it off, once the power cable is off, you can turn it back on. This is nice gear. Thank you very much. Please guys, do consider to subscribe. Thank you.